This is Blenheim Palace, and this is its Christmas trail. The trail itself is around 2.8 kilometres long, and it really is quite breathtaking when you see it. The big selling point on the palace this year really is the Cobras on the roof. We've got 18 and then 10 that are out on the south lawn themselves. And it has been incredible to see them and how far they carry. There's no other fixture that can do what these are now doing. A lot of the show is gobo projection, and that's all done with 26 Perseos. Each of them have around six to eight custom gobos in. The Giant's Causeway, Angel of the North, snowflakes, presents, and it really is quite breathtaking when you see it. With such a big installation in for some of the coldest months of the year, you're worried that every single day you're going to have to be out fixing lights. All these fixtures, they've been out since early November, and this past week we're getting to around -5 of a night time. However, we've had no issues with them. They're booting up perfect every day, even in these temperatures. So we only had to put the lights up once, and we actually haven't had to revisit any of the fixtures on the roof since they've been there. So it's been really nice and really easy to maintain. The show this year looks really, really smart. And it's such a big statement piece, and it's nice to hear the reactions as people come around the corner and see the palace for the first time. It's great for us.